how can we get these Crunchbase companies out of here and into a spreadsheet even faster? I'm going to show you. So I'm going to start with using a app called Magical. You can download it here from the Chrome web store and install it like a simple app on your Chrome browser. Then once we're in our tab, I'm just going to click on the icon here for Magical. You can find it here. It's going to open up the side panel, and then we're going to see under the Transfers tab, we're going to see a bunch of information we already know about this. I can also add more, and I can click on anything, and then add a label to label it. Let's go ahead and transfer it here. I'm going to click a new spreadsheet. And we're going to say all tabs, because we don't just want this welcome, we want this company called welcome, we want all these tabs that we have open. So now the Magical app is taking all the information and scraping it from those Crunchbase pages and open up a new spreadsheet for me. I'm already signed into Google, and it will now put all those inside of the rows. Here they are. So you can see Isles, Bolt, Urban Sports, they're all here. I can see where they're from, their URL, their about information, acquisitions, company sizes, funding amounts, it's all here. So go ahead and download Magical and get started today.